Traffic of the site is almost 47,000 in this July, and here you can see the growth rate of this site. 95, almost 96% of the people is coming from United States in the site, and the age range is between 18 to 44, which are the exact traffic we are seeking for. Hello guys, welcome to this new video. This is Lucky Basal from Digital Mastery YouTube channel, where we talk about money making opportunities and tips and tricks to boost your income. Today we are going to talk about how we can promote Digistore24 product. Today we are going to select a health and fitness niche, which is keto diet plan, the ultimate keto diet plan. This is the exact product I'm going to promote. You can just click here to copy the link of this product, and let's go to the products site where we are going to advertise our product. This site is called adclarks.com, and you can see different sites where we can promote our affiliate product. We don't even need to use our landing page or squeeze page to generate generate sales for using this method. Let's choose our niche, which is health and fitness. The site we were discussed before is this site, which is Weight Watchers Recipes. Let's get more information about this. We can uh, we can submit with 300 by 250 emails. One spot is available currently. The cost of the site is $30 for 30 days. Here you can see the potential. You will get estimated 33,000 people visitors, and here you can see all the information about this product. Almost 93% of the traffic is coming from United States. You have to spend only $30. If you get even a sale, you will recover your cost. Let's just think about that. 33,000 impressions, and how many leads you can generate with this traffic. You can connect with them in Facebook, and they have 14,000 on Facebook likes, Twitter followers 14,000. This is huge amount of traffic for only for $30 in for the 30 days. As you can see the actual website, how they are promoting their products, and how you can see promote your product. You can see this is ad, just like this one is also promoting 28-day keto diet plan. This is the exact place where we are going to promote our product. Our visitor just click on this and get redirected to the product, actual product, our product. If you want to make more money and learn about digital marketing, you can join Wealthy Affiliate. The link of the site is in the description, which I'm using to make a full-time income. Here you can see the trainings you are getting with this system. I haven't completed these trainings yet, and you will get $30 off for the first time if you join through my link. And you can get free classes on different topics such as social media marketing, SEO, email marketing, affiliate program, Facebook, Pinterest, content marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. All of the trainings are available with this system, in this system. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.